Welcome back to TechMirror. Today we are diving into one of the most useful kitchen upgrades you can make, a great countertop blender. In this video, we are counting down the best countertop blenders of 2026, focusing on power, performance, and everyday usability. We will take a close look at the Ninja Professional Blender, the stylish and iconic SMEG 50s retro-style countertop blender, and the powerhouse Cuisinart Hurricane Pro 3.5 peak HP blender. Whether you love smoothies, frozen drinks, or homemade soups, this guide will help you find the right blender for your kitchen. Let's get started. Number 3. The Ninja Professional 72-ounce countertop blender is a solid choice if you want power without overcomplicating your kitchen routine. With its 1000-watt motor and total crushing technology, this blender handles ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients with confidence. Smoothies come out creamy, not chunky, and ice is crushed into a fine, snow-like texture in seconds. The 72-ounce pitcher is great for families or anyone who likes making large batches. It easily handles smoothies for several people, along with frozen drinks like margaritas and daiquiris. The 6-blade assembly makes a noticeable difference, blending faster and more evenly than many standard blenders in this price range. You do not have to stop and stir, which saves time and effort. Design-wise, the blender looks clean and modern on the counter and feels sturdy during use. The controls are simple and straightforward, making it easy to use even if you are not a kitchen pro. Cleanup is also manageable, since the pitcher and blades rinse quickly after use. Overall, the Ninja Professional Blender delivers strong performance, reliable results, and good value. It is a dependable option for smoothies, sauces, and frozen treats without paying premium blender prices. Number 2. The SMEG 50s retro-style countertop blender is a standout appliance that blends performance with unmistakable style. Designed for home cooks who care as much about aesthetics as results, this blender delivers smooth, consistent blends for everything from frozen drinks and smoothies to soups and sauces. Its powerful blades easily break down ice and tough ingredients, producing restaurant-quality textures without much effort. The die-cast aluminum powder-coated body feels solid and well-made, and the backlit chrome control knob adds a polished, vintage touch to any kitchen counter. Beyond looks, the blender is practical and easy to use. The 3 preset programs, Smoothie, Ice Crush, and Pulse, take the guesswork out of blending and help you get reliable results every time. Safety features provide peace of mind during use, while the self-cleaning function makes cleanup quick and low stress. Simply add water and a drop of soap, and the blender does the rest. It is especially convenient for busy kitchens where time matters. Overall, the SMEG 50s retro-style countertop blender offers a great balance of design, power, and convenience. It is a strong choice for anyone who wants dependable performance wrapped in a bold, retro look. Number 1. The Cuisinart Hurricane Pro 3.5 peak HP blender is built for people who want serious power and precision in their kitchen. With a commercial-grade 3.5 peak horsepower motor, it delivers impressive performance that easily handles ice, frozen fruit, dense nut butters, and hot soups. This is a blender that feels fast, strong, and controlled from the first use. What really sets it apart is Blend Logic's technology. The blender automatically senses the load and adjusts speed to maintain consistent results, no matter how thick or large the batch is. Smoothies come out evenly blended, and soups finish silky without extra effort. The variable speed control, ranging from low to extremely high RPMs, gives you hands-on control, while the turbo boost provides a burst of power when needed. The LCD display, with a programmable countdown timer, is clear and easy to use, and the memory function is a standout feature. You can adjust preset times for ice crush, smoothies, soup, or cleaning, and the blender remembers your preferences. The 64-ounce BPA-free Triton jar is spacious and durable, perfect for large batches. Overall, the Hurricane Pro lives up to its name. It is powerful, customizable, and built to perform at a professional level in a home kitchen.